Alrighty, today we're going to go over how to draw a mixture of Garten of Banban, it's going to be Jumbo Josh, and Chainsaw Man, so let's get started. First thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw a kind of curve for the top of his head. So right here we're going to draw a curve. Like that. We're going to continue the curve kind of around here. Like so. We're going to actually add that division in the middle of his head right off the bat. We want to make that really obvious, the chainsaw. We're going to actually start out by drawing that chainsaw kind of at an angle right there. Out. Curve. Pull back. Gonna go over here. Out. Like another one. Just like that same shape. Curve in. Alright, so we got the chainsaw sticking kind of halfway out his face. Hopefully you've seen that anime before. If you know you're a Banban fan, or yeah, Garten of Banban fan. I'm gonna go over here. Curve for that side of his face. So now we got kind of the head right there. And I'm gonna pull a line down over here. Out, and his arms are going down. Gonna go right here, line down here. Curve out. Alrighty. Let's go over here, we're gonna draw the smile. Line out that direction. By the way, don't forget, hit the like button if you like these mixtures. I post them every Friday. These kind of merging of different characters. If you have any ideas, please let me know and I will make it happen, okay? Remember, let me know. Gonna go over here. Curve underneath. Gonna go right here on this side. Put in the teeth on that side right there. Looks like little upside down gravestones. Right on. So, gonna go over here on this side. Like so. And I'm gonna fill in this kind of dark space. It's kind of therapeutic to do this. It's really fun to kind of like just chill, draw, kind of merge some characters, right, in a fun, exciting way. Yeah, almost to 200,000 followers. Definitely, you know, help out with that by clicking the subscribe button, circle. There's a lot of different things on here. I'm going to put a lot more on this channel afterward as well. I'm going to draw another circle. And I'm going to just fill it in right there. I'm going to leave a little bit of a highlight. Normally that character doesn't have a highlight on his eye, but I'm going to do that right there. Okay, now gonna go over here and I'm gonna find the armpit on this side, armpit on this side. Pull down. It's gonna get, his hands are gonna get bigger as they go down. Same thing over here on this side. Gonna go over here, curve in here for the torso. Curve in here for the torso. Sweet. Gonna go over here now. Up, right there. Right here. Right here. It's gonna be the spikes on the chainsaw. Oopsie daisy. And I gotta make sure I not overlap them with the some of the other spikes. I gotta space them out more. Forgive me. Forgot about that. We gotta space out those triangles. Please don't forget to take a look at all the cool stuff in the description. There's a lot of neat stuff you can get there for free. I put a free ebook on how to draw cute. Cute is all about proportions, so I kind of talk about that the whole way. And I really going for that. Line over here, lines for the actual chainsaw itself. Like so. Right here. And let's draw little spikes in between, at least where we have space, that angle to the left over here. Like so. Line, 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 line. Like it's actually moving, like it's moving, what's going on, right? Line down over here, and we're gonna draw a little bit of a, maybe a line under his eye to make it look a little bit creepier. Kind of this folding and that kind of organic stuff makes it just look more bizarre and weird. So let's draw a little bit of some little lines right here, like scratches, and then we're gonna draw some raspberry jam stains on there, right? Yeah, and that's pretty much it, honestly. I think you are amazing, and I want you to really, well, I'm gonna do one more thing. I'm gonna create a thicker line on the outside of this character. Maybe not the entire thing, but a lot of it. Whoops daisy. Right on. I'm gonna go over here as well, kind of on the outside of these spikes, just kind of make a little bit of a thicker line. So if there's something in drawing that you can't get by, let me know. I will kind of reach out to you. I'm really curious. I really like to know the struggles that you guys are having, so that I can kind of create a video to help you out with it. All right. There is a struggle of being an artist, but it's also really fun. So just kind of don't forget to be grateful, right? Don't forget super grateful about stuff like that, about being able to draw, being able to kind of do these things. There we go. It's just a thicker line revolving around these characters. Again, it's right here too. I forgot there's a negative space as well, so I gotta do it right here. But try to doodle every day, at least draw just a bit every day, and it's going to make you a lot better for it, so you're really going to get a lot of cool things out of it. It's going to give you a lot of like value. You're going to be able to like do things quicker. You're going to have like a lot more exciting, I would say a lot more valuable prospects, I would say, as far as just kind of like what you're able to draw and what you're able to do. So thank you so much. Like reach out to me. You guys are amazing. You guys are these art addicts over here. I'll talk to you next time. All right. See you soon.